Kick, Kick, Kick. Ito ay isang South Korean television series na ipinalabas ngayong February 2025. Kick, Kick, Kick ay isang sitcom office comedy series tungkol kina Ji Jin Hee at Jo Young Sik na dating mga stars sa entertainment industry na nagpasya na magtatag ng isang bagong content production company na Kick, 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 Kick Company kung saan sila ay naghahabol na maabot ang 3 milyong subscriber. Kick, Kick, Kick ay meron nitong 12 episodes at ipinalabas na noong February 5, 2025.